Here's this week's project, 2014 Mustang GT, turbocharged Coyote motor. Paint's in pretty bad condition, very hazy, micro scratched. As you can see in the picture, we will more than likely end up doing a two-stage correction and polish on the vehicle. Got a couple deeper scratches to work out here. So here's some close-up video of the trunk lid on this car. As you can see, it's really got a lot of surface damage on it. It's got swirling, it's got scratches, it's got marring. We really weren't sure what we were going to be able to do as far as getting this thing up to the point where it could get coating put on it. But as you'll see in the next clip, we did a pretty good job removing everything and getting it ready for coating. So this is the trunk lid after a full two-stage correction. We haven't applied any coating at this point, but if you remember back about a minute ago in the video, you could see how bad the rear trunk deck lid was. It's definitely heavily marred and scratched, and we got out about probably 80 to 85% of the imperfections, and it's got a nice mirror-like finish to it now. Still a couple little things that we couldn't get out, but I think overall it came out pretty nice. Here's a quick walk around of the vehicle with just the two-stage paint correction completed, no coating at this point. But you can see the car has a nice dark jet black appearance. It doesn't look hazy and gray anymore. Literally looks like a black mirror as you're walking down the side. You can see the reflection of the floor and myself shooting the video. This is what we strive for in all the black cars. We try to get as many imperfections out as we can before applying any kind of coating that's going to amplify the surface. This is Cam's 2014 Mustang GT, Coyote motor with a turbo setup on it. Big power car, runs low 9s in the quarter. We did a full two-stage paint correction on this vehicle. It was pretty hammered. You'll see some of the picture-in-picture. And most of it was just damage from washing over the years incorrectly, and we were able to get most of that out. It's far from perfect, but definitely a lot better than it was. You can see it's got really good reflectivity now. Very mirror-like. So now that we're done with ceramic coating, we're going to take it and put it back in the powder coating department and repowder coat his wheels a different color. And we will add that in the video as well, so you can check it out and see what a fully customized car looks like. And after we finished up the paint correction and ceramic coating of the vehicle, we did a two-tone powder coating job on these weld wheels. Had to use basically micro vacuum tips to get inside these letters. You see, it came out really nice. Rears were a little bit easier. The bead locks had thicker letters on them. But if you'd like to get something custom like that done for your car, give us a call, 336-570-9790. This is really the tedious part of two-toning wheels with powder coat. As you can see, that's a very small micro tip, and we have it attached to a small vacuum cleaner. The big issue with this is if you come out of the groove of the lettering even slightly, all the powder has to be blown off, and then you have to start over again with the black powder. It's just something you have to move really slowly on to make sure you don't come out of the lines. But the effect it creates at the end is fantastic for sure. Two-toning the wheels in this car, red and black, really made a big difference along with the paint correction and ceramic coating. The car looks as good as it goes now, for sure.